Hey guys, ever feel like you've hit 40 and suddenly your strength is just gone? You're not imagining it. That feeling of being less powerful, getting tired faster, and seeing your muscle mass decline is a real thing many men face. It's called sarcopenia, which is just a fancy term for age-related muscle loss. But here's the good news, it's not a life sentence. You can absolutely fight back and even reverse it. So what's really going on in our bodies? The main culprit is a change in our hormones. After 30, testosterone levels in men naturally start to decrease by about 1% each year. By the time you're 40, this decline really starts to add up. Testosterone is crucial for building and maintaining muscle. So when it drops, so does your strength. It's like trying to build a house with fewer and fewer workers each year. Another big factor is our metabolism. As we get older, our metabolism slows down. This means we burn fewer calories at rest, making it easier to gain fat and harder to build muscle. Think about it. When you were 20, you could eat a pizza and your body would burn it off like nothing. At 40, that same pizza seems to go straight to your midsection. This extra fat can further mess with your hormones and energy levels, creating a frustrating cycle. Then there's our lifestyle. Let's be honest, life gets busy. Careers, family, and other responsibilities often push our own health to the back burner. We might be sitting at a desk all day, skipping workouts, and grabbing whatever food is quick and easy. This inactivity is a massive contributor to muscle loss. Your muscles follow a simple rule: use them or lose them. When you stop challenging them, they start to shrink. So, how do we turn this ship around? It's simpler than you might think, and it all starts with resistance training. This is non-negotiable. You need to lift heavy things. This doesn't mean you have to become a pro bodybuilder overnight. Start with compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Think squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These movements are incredibly effective at stimulating muscle growth and boosting testosterone naturally. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Remember, consistency is your best friend. Next up, protein. You absolutely need to get enough of it. Protein provides the amino acids that are the building blocks of muscle. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. This means you actually need more protein than you did in your younger years to get the same muscle-building effect. A good goal is to aim for about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Spread this intake throughout the day with sources like chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and quality protein supplements. Don't forget about sleep and stress management. These are the unsung heroes of muscle recovery and hormone health. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue and encourages fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Find ways to de-stress, whether it's through meditation, hobbies, or just taking a walk in nature. It makes a huge difference. Finally, consider your overall diet. Cut down on processed foods, sugar, and excessive alcohol. These things cause inflammation and can tank your energy and hormone levels. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. And stay hydrated. Water is essential for every single function in your body, including muscle performance and recovery. Losing strength after 40 is common, but it's not inevitable. By making smart, consistent changes to your training, nutrition, and lifestyle, you can not only stop the decline, but actually become stronger, more energetic, and healthier than you were in your 30s. It's all about taking action. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying strong and healthy at any age. See you in the next one.